Masters Vessel Classical Academy, Primary Section. On the roll.
Good afternoon, loved ones. I'm Charity Olua. We are to have quantitative. Quantitative reasoning. Last time we discussed finding missing signs. So let me know when I remember what we did previously. So, what is the sign for this? They're going to tell us the sign. Then what is the sign for that? 10-5 equals to 50. What sign is there? And you, Nkechi, write a sign of multiplication. That means 10 times 5 will give us 50. That's good. The next one is this. Then what sign is missing? We have there 15-5 equals 20. What sign are we looking for? Hey, you, Peter. All right. Addition. Sign of addition. That means 15 plus 5 will give us 20. That's good. Then look at this sign again. We give us 6. What sign are we looking for? Favor. Then up. Half of 12 is 6. So the sign is up sign. All right, that's good of you. So with this, we bring us to what we have for today in quantitative. We have rearranging numbers in order. Rearranging numbers. Rearranging numbers in order from smallest number first. When we are talking about numbers arrangement, arranging order, we are to look at series of numbers. Numbers given to us. We have count our numbers up to 1,000, mostly from 500 according to our textbook to 1,000. So numbers are in serially written. So if you are given such work to do in quantitative, we reason very well and check before we start. for us to check to know exactly the number that is for the small number among the series of number given. The number will be up to 5 numbers or more than that, depending the size or place to write it. So like, let's take some example of this. Such number from R to E is given to us. We have numbers having 3-digit numbers. That's 500, are all in 500 based in different numbers. But they're from 500. You are asked to rearrange. If you look at, you have 506, 503, 505, 504, then 502. They're not in order. If you are asked to arrange it sequentially, we have to reason them. And I told us we are to start from the smallest number among it. So now, as an example, we are going to rearrange this. Then look at on the board which number among the 5 numbers there, then do you think that is the smallest number? And you reason. Let's check, because it's verbal, we are reasoning. All right. We start from E. E has 502. So now we have to rearrange them accordingly, sequentially. Then we start from 502. So look at the normal procedure. If you look at the number now, we're seeing that have been arranged in order, starting from the small numbers to the big number, biggest number in this series. So we have now 500 and 502, 503, 504, 5 until we reach to 6. Look at the next example. In number 2, we have A 642, then B 531, then C 982, D 723, then E 842. I want us to arrange it accordingly. Looking at this, which number are you seeing that is supposed to be is the smallest number among this group? They are different. We have 600, 500, 900, 700, 800. They mix up numbers, but for you to arrange. Then when we look at the number properly, we can see that B, the number having B that 531 is the smallest number in this group. So we are going to start with it, arrange it in order. Have you seen what we are saying? These are the normal procedure of this arrangement of these numbers. Then starting, so 531 is the smallest number in this group. And so that it's supposed to start the group. So from there we have the highest number at that of E. That's 982. When we are talking about arrangement of number, this is what the procedures we are asking you, or we want you to follow. We want you to follow. So you reason very well. At times, not all the numbers are coming at in the same frequency. Like number 2 here is being mixed. So let's take more example before I call you up to tell me. I will write numbers and you tell us what it's supposed to be. I know you are looking at the board to see the numbers. Then look at number 3 example. Then the same 3-digit numbers, we have them in 600. There are different tens and units under it. Then we are to look and check very well to know these are the same group, 600, 600 and the 600, to know the one supposed to be the first, that is smallest among this series. Then looking at it, we see that the same E has, there we have $675 should come first. Is the smallest among this group of numbers. Then we start to write it down. Then followed by what number? After 675, the next number should be what? 676. Then after that, the next one is 670, 670, then 678. Then the last one number should be what? Then 679. So this is what we are talking about when we're asked to arrange numbers, arrangements of numbers. Remember, we are not going down to 10 or 30. We are taking off from 500 up to 1,000. So, you are coming to arrange this one. If I call you, I will write some number then for you to do for us. Before we write, you are asked to arrange the following numbers from the smallest. Then you arrange and tell us the answer, how it's supposed to be. Look at that A. And look on the board. A is having 595. B is having 597. C is having 593. Then D is having 596. Then E is having 594. Then check very well. Then tell me which supposed to come first or the smallest number in that group. I know you're arranging your work. Check very well before you answer. Don't hesitate to answer. To put your hand. Check. All right. You, John. Then, among these 5 numbers, A to E, which number is the smallest that's supposed to start? Let me hear you. Okay, John said C. That's good. Then that number has 593 among this series. So 593 is the smallest number supposed to start it. That's good of you. Check again. Favor, you there? All right. Which number is supposed to come after 93? 593. Reason very well is you check. You don't rush things. You just reason very well. You know, the numbers look alike. You didn't check very well, you make mistake. Favor, I'm still waiting for you. Check very well. All right. That's good of you. Say E. All right. E has 594. That's good. After 593, the next number to follow is 594. That's good. Check. Check very well. Peter, you. That was the next number to come up here. Check very well. Are you all right? You say A. That's good. You are too much. Then after 593, 594, the next number to follow suit is 595. That's good of you. All right, Mary. Which number is supposed to come after 595? They say D. That's good. 596. Then after 595, the next number is 596. All right. The last among that's supposed to be the biggest number. Check very well before. Okay. All right. Check very well. Say B. That's good. B is having 597. So that's correct. Let me see good for you people. You got it very well. So this is what we are talking about. So in a number series or asked to rearrange number have been given to you. Not to just cram it with no reason. If you look at them, some numbers look alike. If not check very well, you make mistake. One number for you again. Then B, we are going up. All right, check. It's still for you kids. Look at this number again. We are having another number in that of 900, 800. Now, reason which one is supposed to be the smallest number, so that the smallest number has to come first. You not begin the second number. Check very well before. Look at the numbers. Which number is supposed to be the smallest number there? You. Ada. Check very well, oh, before. Don't rush it. Check very well. All right, let me hear what you're saying. You're saying 898. Yes, because we have 900. So, yes, should be B. Number in B, 898. That's good. You got it. What's the next number to follow after 898? What's the next number to follow? That is smallest, follow to the smallest number in this group. Think you. Favor boy, let me hear you. You have been raising up your hand. Okay, this is your chance now. Which number? That coming closer to that. Then D, that's good. That D has number 899, because after 898, the next number is 899. That's good. Chef, this for your own activities now. We said it orally as your hand. The next person, think the next number to follow in that group. After 899, what's the next number? Chimes, let me hear from you. You have been raising your hands for be bold. Let me hear. Ngwana, let me hear you. Which number? Think very well. After 899, the next number is what? A, that's good. Yeah, you're coming up. Woo. That is 900. That's good. Then, the remaining numbers, we have not fit in. We are supposed to group them. 901. Then finally, which number? This one. Almost, yeah, I'm seeing your hands up. That's good. Okay, now everybody is raising up his or her hand. Then the next number to follow in that suit is E. Still bearing E. That's 902. That's good. So that's it. So this is what it takes. This very lesson is very interesting. Then what it demands from all that? You reason, you check. Not when they're giving work, you just crap. So to write anything you like, you will not check. You must reason. When you check, you know exactly what happened, because some of the numbers look alike. So but when you reason, you know exactly what to write. Then finally, we are coming to end of this lesson till next week. So before we go, we have our take-home assignment. We do it. All of us, we have. You are at home, you are with your, this quantitative reasoning, book 2. Yes, I'm happy. So from there, we are taking our homework, pages 58 and 59. So this is for our homework. You have quant reasoning, then page 58 and 59. All of us have our textbooks with you. Then you have to write it. That's our homework. Then next work, you submit it. So this type of then, rearranging numbers in order demands that you bend down, reason very well before you start to write any number. Then you read it. So this is where we are stopping till next week. So stay tuned. God bless you.